gonna get my gun. 17 years since they've been out. The whole Queen City's gonna scream and shout. They're coming, ooh. Oh, they're coming, ooh. We knew they'd cruise in sooner or later. The 17-year Queen City Cicada. It's a living hell. 2 long months, they'll fester and fly. Everyone run, everyone hide. They're coming, ooh. They're coming, ooh. Meaner than an old junkyard alligator. The 17-year Queen City Cicada. Here they come, here they come, everybody run. Here they come, everybody run to the river. Even if you voted for Bush, they're coming. Even if you're scared of Over the Rhine, they're coming. Even if you think Bob Dylan can't sing, they're coming. Even if you're heterosexual, they're coming. Even if you drive an SUV, they're coming. Even if you bet on baseball, they're coming. Even if the last time you came downtown was to watch Riverfront Stadium blow up, they're coming. Even if you're the CEO of Kroger, they're coming. Even if you believe everything you see on the news, they're coming. Even if you think Gold Star is better than Skyline, they're coming. Even if your favorite radio station is not Wave or WNKU, they're coming. Even if you were fined for being poor, they're coming. Even if the only Woody Guthrie song you know is This Land Is Your Land, they're coming. Even if you think vegetarians still eat fish, they're coming. Even if you listen to Toby Keith, they're coming. Even if you believe war in Iraq is not about oil, they're coming. The 17-year Queen City Cicada. Here they come, here they come, everybody run. Here they come, here they come, everybody run to the river. We knew they'd cruise in sooner or later. The 17-year Queen City Cicada.